Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LCL, and I'm Mavis from Mandarin with Mavis. To prepare for leading into the new year, in today's lesson we'll learn how to greet people and say Happy New Year in Mandarin Chinese. But still this, if you haven't already known this, in most Chinese-speaking countries and regions, we celebrate two New Years. One on the solar calendar, and the other is the lunar calendar, which is based on the monthly cycles of the moon's phases. So every year, the actual time of the Lunar New Year may come on a different day, but it usually falls in the month of January or February on the solar calendar. To greet people a Happy New Year in Mandarin Chinese, we say 新年快乐. This phrase 新年快乐 can be used for greeting people in both the Solar and Lunar New Year. And you ask, what is the timing to use this phrase? It's common to say 新年快乐 starting a few days before the new year and through maybe January 2nd or so, for the solar new year that the most of the world celebrates. However, you can start greeting people 新年快乐 roughly a week before the lunar new year and through a week after the new year. 新 means new, 年 is year. Together, 新年 is new year. 快乐 is happy, so 新年快乐 is happy new year. In most Chinese-speaking places, the Lunar New Year is the biggest holiday people celebrate during the year. It's also called the Spring Festival, 春节, and it's traditionally celebrated for about 2 weeks starting 除夕, which is how we call the New Year's Eve on the lunar calendar, all the way through the Lantern Festival, 元宵节, on the 15th of January on the lunar calendar. One thing to note here is we don't call the New Year's Eve on the solar calendar 除夕. For New Year's Eve on the solar calendar, we call it 跨年夜. 跨 means to cross, 年 means year, 夜 means night. 跨年夜 means the night to cross the year. Back to the Lunar New Year, 新年快乐 is also the most common phrase to say Happy New Year during this holiday. If you want to showcase your Chinese language and cultural proficiency, you can also use this phrase that I'm going to teach you. The Lunar New Year is celebrated every year with a corresponding animal from the Chinese Zodiac. The 12 animals in sequence are 鼠、牛、虎、兔、龙、蛇、马、羊、猴、鸡、狗、猪. The Chinese zodiac animal is the main thing for each Lunar New Year. So a common phrase we use to greet people is insert the animal of the year here plus 年、行、大、运. 年 means year. 行大运 means have the best luck. When you insert the name of the animal before 年, it means the year of that animal. Something 年、行、大运 means have the best luck in the year of this animal that I just inserted. For example, 2025 will be the year of the snake. Snake in Mandarin Chinese is 蛇. 蛇 plus 年, 蛇年 means the year of the snake. 蛇年行大运 means you're wishing people to have the best luck in the year of the snake. Another greeting that everyone loves to hear during the Lunar New Year that you have to know is 恭喜. 恭喜 means congratulations. 发财 means a good financial fortune. 恭喜发财 means have a year of good financial fortune. This was my go-to reading when I was little, because every time when I greeted someone like 恭喜发财 during the Lunar New Year, I likely get a red envelope from them. If you're looking for online or offline courses to learn the Chinese language, please check out the links in the description box below. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!